Hey guys, what's up? Big announcement, an update, and 3 sets of plans for the last few days of the 12 days of Christmas. So let me get with the update. The back wall cabinet that I released not too long ago, I have upgraded the plans to SketchUp style PDFs. So if you've seen that style, which you have with my Craig Jig cabinet, you know those are really involved. I've upgraded those plans for that. I've also upgraded the plans for the assembly table, which is going to be one of the sets of plans available for the 12 days of Christmas. So 9, 10, and 11, this is 9. 10 is going to be the table saw cabinet. I have not been able to upgrade those yet, but they are still a good set of plans. And the project that I did, that I don't have on hand anymore, is the planer extension tables, the in-feed and out-feed tables. You can apply those to Lunchbox as well as the DeWalt 735s, and that will give you a better in-feed and out-feed tabletop, so you can better flatten your pieces without having the wobble of your piece going through a shorter table. So that is 9, 10, and 11. You can download those for 50% off and get those built for yourself. And for those of you that have missed, this is the big announcement. I am going to offer 50% off all of my plans, and that's going to be for not only Christmas Eve, but for Christmas Day and probably the day after, the 26th. It will last all the way through that. So that way, if you don't win the giveaway, you can download those for yourself at a discounted rate. And no harm, no foul. But this is the last day for entries that I'm taking. So if you've followed Instagram, followed Facebook, and you've already entered there, that's great. But if the YouTube audience that I am showing this to right now does not follow Instagram or Facebook, you can enter here on this video. Just drop a comment down below saying, I want free plans, quote unquote. I want free plans. And what I'm going to do is select one person from my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram audience. All 3 of those, one person gets selected, and that person will win a 100% shopping spree for my plans, and you can download them all at no cost to yourself. And then if you don't win, you can download whatever you want 50% off and save yourself some money. So lots of things going on in this video. I wanted to get it done really quick because I've been sick lately and haven't been able to record. My voice has sounded horrible, and today it's not sounding great, but it sounds better. So day 9, 10, and 11, this cabinet, the table saw cabinet, and the planer in-feed and out-feed tables. Day 12 is the 50% off all plans, and that'll last through the 26th. And then Christmas Day, one lucky winner will be selected for a 100% shopping spree. So that's a quick recap. Updated plans, of course, for the back wall cabinet, updated plans for the assembly table, lots and lots of stuff going on. So get on it, get entered, and I will select the winner on Christmas Day. So guys, thank you very much. I will talk to you whenever I see you again next. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you then. Boom!